Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by looking where Word stores temporary saves. Open Finder and use right arrow go to folder. Paste the auto recovery path I give you. Once done, scan for files labeled auto recovery save of or names starting with -word. Make sure to sort by date modified so the latest appears first. If you spot a candidate, duplicate it immediately to the desktop and change its extension to docx. This prevents overwriting and lets Word recognize the file when you open it. Next, expand the search beyond auto recovery. Use Spotlight to look for extensions like ASD or WBK and type fragments of the document title. If Spotlight misses it, open Terminal and run mdfind or inspect /private/var/folders for temporary Word files created during crashes. Meanwhile, open Word and go to File, right arrow open, right arrow recent, and check Recover Unsaved Documents. Word sometimes surfaces the file there. Make sure to copy any candidates to a safe folder before attempting to open them so you preserve the original data. To finish, try opening the recovered file in Word and use Open and Repair if it looks damaged, or copy-paste content into a fresh document to salvage text. If you use Time Machine, enter Time Machine from Finder and restore the Word file or entire folder from the closest backup snapshot. If none of these steps locate the document, consider reputable recovery tools or contact Microsoft support as a last resort. Try not to write new data to disk, so temporary fragments remain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.